Hello friends, welcome to my today's class, that is class on arithmetic progressions. So today also we will try to solve some 4 marks important problems for the exam purpose. So here we have example number 1. So the sum of 3 consecutive terms in an AP is 6 and their product is minus 120. Find the 3 numbers. So this question is from KSCEB March 2015 question paper sum. So what is given in the example? So sum of 3 consecutive terms. So consecutive terms, we have to write the neighbor terms. You know to write how to consider the 3 terms. So let the 3 terms of an AP is A minus D, A and A plus D. So sum is given 6. So sum is equal to 6. Let me add this A minus D plus A plus D. That is equal to 6. The sum of 3 terms is 6. So minus D and plus D will get cancelled. And A plus A, that is 3A is equal to 6. So A is equal to 6 by 3 and A becomes 2. And in the next statement is given their product is minus 120. So their product, so here we consider the sum. Here same terms product you have to take, that is A minus D into A plus D, that is equal to minus 120 is given. Now so A minus D and A plus D, let me keep this side itself, and A will go to the denominator. So now this is of the form, the identity I have used, that is A plus B into A minus B formula, that is equal to A square minus B square. So that is here A square minus D square. So that is equal to minus 120 by A. So here we know A value. Let me substitute in the place of A. A square is 2 square minus D square minus 120 by A is 2. So now 2 square is 4 minus D square, that is equal to, so 2 ones are 2 60s are 120. So that is minus 60. So now D square is equal to this minus 60 and 4 becomes minus 4. So D square is equal to minus 64. Here minus we have. So both the sides minus will get cancelled. So D square is equal to 64. Now D is equal to plus or minus square root of 64. So D becomes plus or minus 8. So here you have to find the 3 numbers. So which are the 3 numbers what we consider the terms? So here we have A is 2 and D is plus or minus 8. So let me take in the first case A is 2 and D is plus 8. So A minus D, A and A plus D, what we consider the terms. Now A is 2 and D is 8. So 2 minus 8 is minus 6. Now A is 2 and here A plus D, that is 2 plus 8 is 10. So first case is completed. So in the second case, if A is 2 and D is minus 8, and here also the 3 terms A minus D, A and A plus D. So A is 2 and D is minus of 8. So minus into minus plus. So 2 plus 8 is 10. And A is 2 and A plus D. A is 2 and D is minus 8. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. So this is example number 2. In an AP, if the 12th term is minus 13 and the sum of the first 4 terms is 24, what is the sum of first 10 terms? So this question is from KSCEB solved question paper, Jan 2015 question paper sum. Here 12th term is minus 13. So that is A12 is equal to minus 13. Sum of first 4 terms, that is sum of 4 terms, ES4 is equal to 24. So you have to find first 10 terms, that is S10 is equal to question mark. So A12 you can write A plus 11D, that is equal to minus 13. So let me take this as equation number 1. And so sum of first 4 terms is 24 is given. So we have to solve this sum of first 4 terms, that is Sn formula we have to use. Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S4, that is sum of 4 terms, is equal to n is 4 and 4 by 2 into 2a plus 4 minus 1 into d. So sum of 4 terms is given 24, that is equal to, so 2 2s are 2 into 2a plus 4 minus 1 is 3d. So now 24, this 2 will take to denominator, so 2a plus 3d. Now this 12 2s are 24, so 2a plus 3d, that is equal to 12. So this is equation number 2. So we have already here equation number 1 and here equation number 2. So now we'll go by elimination method by solving equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 is a plus 11d, so that is equal to minus 13, and equation 2 is 2a plus 3d, that is equal to 12. So here we have a and here it is 2a. So to make here also 2a, so I'll multiply with 2 by equation number 1. So that is 2 into a is 2a, so 11 into 2 is 22d, and minus 13 into 2 is minus 26. So second equation, write it as it is 2a plus 3d, that is equal to 12. So now by changing the symbols, 2a, this plus will becomes minus, and here also minus, and here also minus. 2 plus 2a minus 2a will get cancelled. So 22d minus 3d is 19d. Minus 26 minus 12 is minus 38. So d is equal to, this 19 will comes to the denominator. So 19 ones are 19 twos are, that is minus 2. So now this d value I'll substitute in any one of the equation. So here I'll go by equation number 1. So that is 1 implies a plus 11d, that is equal to minus 13. So a plus 11 into d we got here minus 2. So substitute in the place of d, that is equal to minus 13. So a plus into minus is minus. So 11 2s are 22, that is equal to minus 13. So a is equal to, this a becomes minus 13, this 22, that is plus 22. So now a becomes 9. So now we know a value and d value also. So now it's very easy to find the sum of first 10 terms, that is S10 is equal to question mark. Now Sn is equal to, we know Sn formula, n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S10 is equal to, n is 10 by 2 of 2 into a is 9 plus n is 10 minus 1 into d is minus 2. So this is 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 into 9 2s are 18 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into minus 2. So 5 into 18 plus into minus minus, 9 2s are 18. So plus 18 minus 18, it will get cancelled, that is 0. So 5 into 0 is 0. That is sum of first term 10 terms of an AP is 0. So okay friends, so that's all about today. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.